Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3, which is really part 2 on this part. We're going to add a little color to this side and make it look, because we've got this line, and if we really want to make it 3D, there'd be different light coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle, or any shape, and I'm going to take the color eyedropper tool, which we don't really have to, but we can grab that color and put it there. Now, we need to make that a little bit darker to be on the shadow side, let's say. So I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm just going to click this light gray just a couple of times. And then that's going to be our new color for our other side. And I could have maybe picked another orange, but now let's get the color eyedropper tool and take a sample there and drop it in there, drop it in there, drop it in there. And I could have made it a little bit darker. Let's back up, it actually kind of looks lighter. So we can take this and hold down the control button and let's add maybe a little black to it, maybe a little bit of red, just make it a little bit different color. Get the color eyedropper tool, take a sample, drop it in. Wow, I think that's going to be the key. And then that way you can visually see that line, but you need to be able to see that line because there is a separation on the shadow. I don't know if you could do anything to this inside part to make it look like something else. Maybe somebody else will chime in, but that's a pretty cool design. Let's look at it like we did this morning with like a green box in the background. Go to Object, Order, Back of Page, and look at that. That's pretty special. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.